You need to set an alarm to get up early or about meetings, taking meds and so on. But you don't want to bother others with the sound of the alarm. Here in this video, we will show you how to set an alarm with Fitbit Charge 5. You can set up a discrete alarm on your Fitbit Charge 5 easily. To do that, swipe left until you get to alarms. Now set the time. Now set AM or PM and the alarm will be set. Now you can select the repeats. It is off right now. You can select it every day or any day of the week as you wish. When you are happy, tap done and the alarm will be set. Now when the alarm rings, you can snooze it or dismiss it. If you snooze it and you wake up or your work is done, you can cut the alarm. To remove it, swipe to alarm again. Now swipe to bottom. Tap remove, tap yes and the alarm will be removed. If you want to set up multiple alarms at a time and you can't find the option, swipe to alarm. Now swipe up on the alarm. You will see new alarm. Now set the alarm as usual, and this is the way you can set up multiple alarms on your Fitbit Charge 5. So guys, this is the way you can set up alarms on Fitbit Charge 5 easily. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.